Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to prepare this amazing food, ripe plantain and beans, popularly known in Ghana as red bread. So come with me and enjoy. With this recipe, we're going to need about 2.5 cups of black eye beans. These are the small ones. You know, we have big ones and we have the small ones. I'm using the small ones. We're also going to need some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and also some pepper here. We have our salted fish or koobi around. We also have one big onion, and I'm also using melted oil, palm oil here. This is zomi, that's why it looks a bit dark, you know, zomi. And I also got ripe plantain from the African market here. Any ripe plantain would do. So we're going to soak our beans in water for about 10 minutes before we cook it. This beans cooks very well and it is quite soft. That's why I chose to soak it in water the same day, not overnight. So our beans have been soaked in water for a while, about 10 minutes now, and we're going to wash it very thoroughly before we boil it. And our water is also boiling on fire, and after this we're going to cook it. Our water has been boiling for a while. We're going to add our beans to it and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once our beans is on fire, we're going to prepare our ripe plantain and fry it. So this is how it looks like packed. Yeah, it comes in a batch of 5 in a pack, and depending on the size of your family, I think 5 will do. I'm going to unripe it and wash it very thoroughly, and also whilst you're washing it, it will help it defreeze so that you can cut it to the size that you want. Going to wash it nicely. This is how our plantain looks like, and we're going to add a little bit of salt to it and allow it to soak in the water for a while. Guys, let's check our beans after 15 minutes and see how it looks. Wow, it's still hard, as you can see. So we're going to add a lot of water to it. You have to add a lot of water to the beans at this point. Okay, our beans has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. I've added a lot of water to it. As you can see, it's still hard, quite hard, but we're going to add our salted fish or koobi at this point, and also our onions. The onions will help give a beautiful and a very nice aroma to your beans. Instead of adding baking soda or can just add your onions, and it will help the beans also cook tender. It will help your beans to become tender. And also I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt to it. Remember that you already have your salted fish in there, so you be mindful of your salt intake. And we're going to cover this and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, let's look at how our beans is. You can see the beans is nice. Yeah, it's very tender, and the aroma from the onions and the salted fish, you can see how tender it is. Oh, the aroma is very beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. When you have the onions with your beans, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 ladle of palm oil to our beans, and also cover it for about 5 minutes to allow it to simmer and to allow the palm oil to do its own thing with our beans, and our beans will be done. Guys, it's time for us to fry our red plantain, and our red is on its way. So please, when you put in your red plantain, you're going to leave in the oil for it to fry till you see that golden beautiful color. Okay guys, our red is ready. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video. See you later. Bye.